this tutorial, we will write a Python program to find the square root of a number. So let's say I have a num and which is, let's say, 10. Now if I want to find a square root if let's say I want to find out the square root of 10, which means I can give its power to 0.5, right? Your square root is actually power 0.5. So in Python there is a operation where if I want to say, let's say, 2 power 2 4, 2 power 4, it will be 16. So this is actually your power sign. You can give power to any number, which this is actually exponent. You can 2 raised to power 4, or you can raise to 4 raised to power 4, or anything. So for that, now our square square root will be num square root of actually 0.5. So any number you give its square root to 0.5, this will give us a square root. So now I want to print it, and I'll print the square root of this number is square root. Now I will format this into number 1 and then our square root. Now if I run this, it says the square root of 10 is 3.16227766 up to this. If you want to round it up to 3 degree or 0.3 or 2 or 1, you can do that by mentioning here. First you will give colon, and then, like, if say I want to round it up to 3 numbers, then I will 0.3 and f. Now this will limit the number to 3 point this. And if I remove this, then we had so many numbers after decimal point. But now if I want to give this one, then it will limit it to 3.162. Now if you want to take any number from user, then I will say num equals to input. Remember, I want to take float number. Input I can say enter number, and user can enter any number. And for square root, I'll find square root, which will be num and power 0.5, and I'll print it. That will be the square root of this number is I want to finish up to point, let's say, 5 in this 5 decimal points. So dot format, and I'll have number and a square root. Now if I print this, I'm giving 100, which is, now if you see 10 point, this has actually forced the Python program to up to 5 numbers after decimal points, because we have mentioned 5 numbers here. If I want to mention 3, it will give 3 points. If I want 300, then the square root of 300 is 17.321. Okay, that's it. See you in next tutorial.